The name Ghirardelli may sound familiar because they make chocolate candy. They haven't made it at Ghirardelli Square since the 1960s, but the former Pioneer Woolen Mills was their manufacturing site for almost 7 decades before that. Today it's a shopping and dining complex centered on their chocolate manufactory and soda fountain. The retail shop is a good place to buy San Francisco-themed chocolates for the chocoholics back home. The chocolate lovers in your family will enjoy the soda fountain treats, shakes, and sundaes, which are more than big enough to share. Otherwise, you'll find a small shopping area and a couple of restaurants. A trip to Ghirardelli could easily overload the kids' energy meter, but it's also a fun place for a sweet vacation treat. To bring the bouncing off the walls level back down to normal, head for the park just down the hill or hike up Hyde to the top of Lombard Street and back down again.